to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today we're going to be taking a look at Castalina neighborhood. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drive around the neighborhood so you get an idea of what the Castalina Lennar community is all about. And just let's watch it and see what, if you like it or not. If you like what you see. On the bottom of the description, I have 3 floor plans that are already videotaped. Okay, so that way you can get an idea of the floor plans of that Castellina offers. So, very nice community, very centrally located. Take a look at the map here. This is where the Castellina is. Okay, it's very close to the airport in Fort Myers, and it's very central. Okay, now let's just go do a round the neighborhood so that you can see what the neighborhood looks like and the different types of types of homes. I mean, a new construction, so I keep saying the word models. Okay, so let me turn the camera around here to my left so you can see. They have 2 stories, 1 story. How more or less this neighborhood is being set up here. It has there's 3 lakes, and the homes are all surrounded by the lakes. So you see over here, you see it's an open lot here. You see the lake there. And I think the same goes to this side, has a lake behind. And this side. I mean, for people up north, this is like a man-made lake. It's not really a lake like up north. Okay. Remember, if you like what you see and you would like to get more information on Castellina, please feel free to contact us. 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling K-Core, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we got a lot of experience in community. So if this is the one for you, just tell us what you're looking for and we'll try to find it for you. Okay? That's where our experience comes in. Okay? I'm going to drive this construction street here so you can see that they're being built. I'll be trying to put more floor plans as they become available. See these homes that are being built right here. When they get to almost finish point, they'll call me up and see if I can come do another video for the floor plans. Okay? Already got 3 floor plans in this community. I'm gonna turn over here. This side over here is already built up. Now they're working on that side over there. Today's a beautiful day. Raining for a couple of days, and all of a sudden we get this gorgeous, beautiful day. This morning temperature was 76, and right now it's 88. So temperature's starting to come down already, and that's when this area here, Florida, it's all about. One more month and everybody will be outside on the lanai enjoying the Florida weather. Check it out, how they're painting this one. And there's still some lots available, but they're going pretty quick. So if you like this community here, where it's located, and you like what you see, make sure to contact us. I mean, you see there's not that many lots available. They're moving kind of quick. See over here, look at the speed that they're building them up. So sometimes in some other new constructions, I'll say, oh, you got time, because you can see there's a lot of land available, but the lots here are getting, it's getting built up. You still got that side over there, but over here, it's the other entrance. It's an entrance from Colonial. That's the main hub, you could say, that goes from 75 all the way to Cape Coral. Okay. Yeah, you still got some land. You still got some lots, but you should have seen this a couple months ago. It's moving pretty quick now. For you from up north, this is kind of, it's good to show you how the homes in Florida are being built. See, block, concrete block. A lot of construction going on, but check it out. All these homes in this community, they all have tile roof. You got sidewalk on one side of the street. This home on the left here, they don't have lake view. These on the right, they do. Make it right over here. Well, that's all. Probably missed one or two roads, but basically that's the idea, to show you what the community is about. And this is the clubhouse. You got your pool in the middle. You got your gym here on the left. An area for parties and things. Here's the. I don't know what. I'm gonna just park and just give you just go up to the club, to the pool there, and show you what it looks like. So you can see here, you got probably bathrooms. Your water fountain. And you got your mail here. This is where they pick up the mail. And this is what the pool looks like with a view to the lake. And over here you got a sitting area inside with screen. Very nice. And then over here you got your gym. And you need a special card to get it. So inside. inside. I don't think so. The tint don't let the camera go through. So, very nice. So, okay. So if you're interested about knowing more about this community, Castellina, in Fort Myers, feel free to contact us. Check out the links below that leads you to the three models, or you could say floor plans. Actually, two of them are model, I think, yeah, two of them are model, and the other ones are just some homes that they had before someone moved in, so they were in the process of cleaning it. So check out the links below so you can see some of the floor plans. And if you like what you see, you like this type of videos from Fort Myers, Cape Coral, and Southwest Florida, feel free to subscribe. You hit the subscribe button, and every time I put a video, it will come up for you, okay? I basically put videos on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, okay? So I hope you enjoy the video, and see you on the next tour. Have a good one.